Okay, guys, we're here in the Fundations Fun Hub. I'm going to select some of our large sound cards for us to review today. So we're going to do digraphs again. Let's do G, S, D, J, W. Okay. So here we go. Here we go with our flashcards. I will say it, then I will hold up echo, and you can say it after me, okay? Alrighty. W-H, whistle, wa. Your turn. Good. C-H, chin, ch. Your turn. Good. Are they saying it, echo? Okay, make sure you're saying it. She has her magic ears on. S-H, ship, shh. Your turn. T-H, thumb, C-K, sack, k. G, game, g. S, snake, s. D, dog, d. Your turn. J, jug, j. W, wind, w. And that's it for the large sound cards. I'm going to hit pause and I'm going to take us into the small sound cards. Just give me 1 second. Okay, here we are. I'm going to choose maybe some different letters than I did. With the large sound cards. Okay. Let's do these. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, let's just do letter and sound. Q, qua. P, p. T, t. C-H, ch. A, ah. E, eh. W, wa. H, h. F, f. Okay. Alrighty, boys and girls, you're going to hop into Seesaw to do your letter review activity, and then I will see you back here for our next lesson.